In a mixing bowl, I am adding 5 cups of flour. I am also adding a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 10 grams of instant yeast to it. Let's also put 4 tablespoons of olive oil. After adding a cup of lukewarm water, let's knead it. The dough needs to reach the consistency of an earlobe. When it does, I am wrapping it with a cling film. I am now leaving it to rest for half an hour. With the ingredients listed below, you would have 2 trays of pizza. I am now knocking the air out of the dough, and after that, dividing it into 2 pieces. You can decide on how thin you would like your pizza dough to be and roll it out as much as needed according to your preference. I like my pizza base 4 mm thick. After rolling the dough into a bowl shape, you can use any type of rolling pin to stretch it out. I am oiling the baking tray and spreading the rolled out dough on it. With a fork, I am poking the dough in several spots so that it doesn't rise too much. Then, I am spreading tomato sauce over it. Tomato sauce not only gives a delicious taste to pizza, but also helps the ingredients stay in place over the dough. If you do not have tomato sauce at home, you can alternatively use tomato paste. You would need to saute it with oil in a pan first. Then you can use it as a substitute. I am sprinkling salt and pepper on it now. You can alternatively add salt and pepper to the tomato sauce before spreading it on the dough. Now I am placing the Turkish sausage on it. You can use chorizo too. Let's add some green peppers and more salt now. As you can see, I shaped it differently for the second tray. I let the pizza bake in a preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius until the dough cooked. I then took it out and sprinkled it with melting cheese such as mozzarella or kashkaval cheese. Let's put it back in the oven for 2 more minutes until the cheese melts. You can use any ingredient as you would like as a topping. We like it with sausage and cheese, so that was our preference. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It would be a delicious family meal with 2 full trays of it.